Okay guys, this is a Dodge Charger 2015 Scat Pack. If you're having this situation where your shifter is blinking, all 5 lights red, it won't turn over, won't start. I already changed the shifter, the electronic shifter. It was not the situation, it was not the problem I was having. I already checked all the fuses and the relays, they were all good. So I just found out what was my particular situation. This might help you guys, might be yours too. Before you guys invest any money on these things that are pretty expensive, put your car on the run position, let it blink away, and you're gonna go underneath your car, and you're gonna go straight towards your transmission harness. It should be through here. The cables run through the side, as you guys can see over here. This is the transmission harness cable. This is my situation. I'm having a situation with the harness, one of the cables probably, but you can hear it activating once I touch it. Hear that click? Every time that clicks, I set my camera on inside the car, and every time it clicks, the shifter stops blinking, and it only turns on the park light, and I could turn on the car. So this is my situation, at least. Before you guys spend any money, make sure you guys check out your cables, your transmission cables, or your harness. I have a bad harness probably. Maybe I have a cables not having good contact or something, but I'm gonna check that out. But at least this is my situation. Make sure you guys check that out before you guys invest any money on these expensive parts. Some parts can go up pretty expensive, pretty steep. So I hope this helps you guys out. Plug should be right there. Okay, see that harness come in? This is my situation right here.